Here is the classwork school routine as an example of one of the forms. When you open it up and you make a copy for each student that you're working with, you would write in here what their skill level is for each activity. So here are some of the activities. Maintains proper social distancing in the classroom, follows directions, uses crayons, pencils, or pens at an appropriate age level. So if you wanted someone to collect data on these functional skills in the classroom, you would share the link to this form, maybe with a teacher's assistant, a classroom aide, or you would be observing the student in the classroom and would want to collect some data on their skills in the classroom. So then you would use this link to actually input the data. So as you're observing the child, does he maintain proper social distancing? Provides verbal prompts. Follows directions, needs verbal prompts. Uses crayons, functional with writing utensils. Uses other school supplies, needs verbal prompts. Uses the computer, verbal prompts. Maintains upright posture, functional. Displays age-appropriate attention span, functional. Completes assignments, functional. Transitions from one activity to the next, let's just say requires supervision, stays organized, requires prompts. So you would answer all of these questions, or you could skip through some of them. You do not have to answer all of them. So the benefit to this is as you go through for your student, you'll see how they're doing over the course of time. And you can progress monitor with this way using baseline and then post intervention, and to see if the student is making progress.